Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Arabic with me, Rana. If you are not a subscriber yet, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like the videos if you like them, of course, and comment below with any suggestions, recommendations, or anything that you like. And if you like the videos, also comment below so I can know that you like my videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. This video is going to be about one word or two verbs, one root, let's say. This root is the root that consists of three letters, the waw, the jim, and the ayn. Waja, waja'a. So the verb out of it, the first verb out of it is going to be wija. Wija. Wija is in the past tense, wija, and of course it's with he conjugation, and in the present tense it's biyuja, biyuja, wija, biyuja. The meaning of this word is to hurt, to hurt. So let's see how we are going to use this verb in some cases. The first case, if you wanted to say, my head is hurting me. My head is hurting me. So first of all, I should think of the word head. The word head is ras, ras, and it is masculine. So we think about the gender. The gender of ras is masculine. First of all, it's masculine. Okay, let's get started with the second step. The second step is going to be, what conjugation should we use with this ras? If I said rasi, I would say my head, rasi, and then is hurting me, is hurting me. I should use the he conjugation with that because ras is he. So he is hurting me. Rasi is hurting me. So he is hurting me. So I should say rasi, which is the ing, yujani. راسي عم يوجعني. My head is hurting me so much. راسي عم يوجعني. This is how we say it. For instance, if I wanted to say إيدي, my hand, إيد, إيد. إيد is a feminine thing in Arabic, so we should say she, هي, هي. So we should use the conjugation that is for a feminine gender. So which is إيدي, إيدي عم توجعني with the t. إيدي عم توجعني. My hand is hurting me. إيدي عم توجعني. إيدي عم توجعني. One more thing. If you wanted to say about something that is plural, you should use, of course, the plural version of they. So if you wanted to say snan, snan is the teeth. So snani, my teeth are hurting me. snani عم يوجعوني. snani عم يوجعوني. So the last ni at the end is the suffix that we use for hurting me. If it's hurting you, I should use the ak. عم يوجعك, عم توجعك. If I am going with my friend to the doctor, my mom to the doctor, and I wanted to tell the doctor, you know what? Her head is hurting her so much, hurting her. So I would say, دكتور راسها, her head, راسها عم يوجع. So يوجع at the first thing, يوجع is for the head because we are conjugating the head as he. And then we are saying يوجع is hurting her. So راسها عم يوجع, راسه عم يوجع, and so on. So this verb is just to be hurting. Be hurting. So I did not hurt anybody. Nobody hurt me. So it's just my head is hurting me. My hand is hurting me. There is no person cause of that. But if there is a specific cause of that, I would use the verb wajja. Wajja with the stress of the jim. Wajja. So if someone, and especially in our Shami series, Shami shows, you know, you have the guy who is hurting his wife because he's the man and so on. I feel that it's so silly. So when you have this kind of stuff, she would tell him, for instance, you will see that he's holding her hand so badly, in a bad way and in a hurting way, she would say, oh my god, وجعتني. وجعت يعني انت, you hurt. وجعتني. So this is when a person causes this thing. You would say وجع, you would not say وجع. وجع is just to feel hurt. My hand, my teeth, my head. It's not me the cause, it's not anybody the cause. But if you wanted to tell a person, you made my head hurt me because you are nagging so much and you are speaking too much and you are saying so many bad stuff. So I would say وجعت لي راسي. وجعت لي. So you hurt to me my head. وجعت لي راسي. Stop. خلاص. حاجة تحكي. وجعت لي راسي. This was our video. If you like this video, do not forget to comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment below if you like all of my videos. And if you have any suggestions or recommendations, you are welcome to send me some comments or messages on Instagram or here on YouTube. I would love to hear your opinions. Love you guys, and I will see you in next videos. Bye bye.